How to download Google Drive video without download option. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Google Drive. So just make sure you have an updated version of the Google Drive application on your device. So as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Google Drive. So just tap on open. And as you tap on open, when you see on the screen as well, beside every video there is three dotted lines. So just tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to see the download option. So there are basically no options that says no download available or anything like that. So you'll get the download options directly when you tap on the three dotted line, so you can download it on your device. If you get such incidents where you do not get a download option, you can directly download it via Google Chrome and you can download it from the drive as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.